We shall now create a simple switch. Switch is a technique where, based on some variable, we can define multiple cases, and it actually can simulate multiple if-else conditions. Suppose we want to have a situation where, based on day number of week, we want to print out the day string. That means, for example, for 1 we want to print out Monday, and so on. So for day number we declare an integer, and we collect this value from user, enter the day number, and we also ask this number to be from 1 to 7, and we complete this and get this value into this integer. Right now we can apply a switch on this particular integer value. Switch can be applied to integer values and characters, normally single values. Suppose now case is 1, that means this d is equal to 1. So we have to define all cases: case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, case 6, case 7, and default also is there with a part of switch. We'll explain that. Okay, and finally we'll come out of the program. Switch needs this kind of curly braces for block within the switch, and each case has this colon character. So for when case is 1, we'll see out as Monday. Okay, and after every case, if we want to come out, we have to give a break. This is essential, because if we don't give break, it will come to next also. I'll just copy and paste this. Some other string had come. So this is Tuesday, and then we'll again cut paste this. This will be Wednesday, and we'll again copy this. This will be Thursday, and we'll again cut paste this. This will be Friday. And suppose for 6 and 7 both, we want to write cout as holiday, assuming Saturday, Sunday being an holiday, and again come out of the switch case directly out. So this is the fall from 6 to 7, so it works for both 6 and 7. This is case to multiple cases resulting in the same out. And this break is important for each case when we want to come out. Break is not there when we want to use for multiple cases. And for default, suppose we want to say some other input is there, we'll say error in input. And after default we may not put a break, but I usually put a break for being sure. So here is a simple switch program where day number has been entered, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and holiday is printed. Let us try to run this program. Okay, day number 1, Monday is printed. Let us try 5. Friday is printed. Good. And let us try 6. What it should print? Holiday. It should print holiday. No, that means some program error is there in this case. Cout holiday, case 6, case 7, holiday. Let us run it again. Let us try it. Because it is giving some error signal sick kill. Let us try with 7. Again some error is there, which means there is some error in the program. After this is breaking. Okay, Scout holiday is there. I don't find error here. Simple switch is there, integer D is there, enter, the day number is there, fine. It is getting this number, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. It is fine, okay. Let me try this as Saturday first. Saturday. And then see what happens. 6. Saturday is coming. Some spelling mistake was there. But now let us try 7 also. Holiday is coming. Let us remove this now. 6 also, holiday has come. I think some typing error must have happened. So that's how it has occurred. And if I give some other input, then error input should come. Suppose I give 8, error input has come. So this program is working now well. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe.